What's up, guys? Rob from ClicksGeek here. And today's video, we're going to run through Google Ads for local lead generation. And I'm actually going to walk you through how to optimize a campaign that I haven't optimized yet. And it's funny because this is actually this is my brother's campaign, right? So my brother, Mike, has a CPR training business. And he started running Google Ads, small budget, $14 a day, but just to get going, to see what we can do with it. We started rolling it out. I think he started let's see here. May 2nd, so a couple days, a little over a week, and you can see here some quick stuff. He's gotten a bunch of clicks, and he's gotten a bunch of leads too. And this is before we've even done anything with this campaign. I've literally not even optimized it yet, so we're going to do that today. Before we get into that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check out the links in the link tree in the description. We have a ton of free stuff in there for you guys, also a free book. And as always, if you want to work with us, there's a link to application page for our agency. All right, so let's go right into it. We're probably going to do today a little bit of Google Ads optimization and landing page optimization, depending on what I find. And I'll kind of walk you through my logic of what I'm looking for. So I just did last 14 days, the catch-all of all the days we were running, and he was paused a few days, I think, and in between. So it's kind of shaky. So I want to do last 14 days. Now, they've gotten, Mike's got 59 clicks, 519 impressions, and keep in mind, this is a really small local campaign. This is one or two counties, I believe. I think it's 2 counties in Pennsylvania. 11% click-through rate, average cost per click is $1.68. Total cost that he spent since the campaign started was $99, and he's gotten 9 leads at a cost per lead of $11. Conversion rate of 15%, which I'm okay with, but ideally I'd like that to be above 20. Or 25, as you guys know. But to start, that's not bad. And Mike has booked jobs from this, so there is an ROI in the campaign already from just the 9 leads. So if we go into the ad groups and we sort by ad groups here and clicks, we can see here, all right, CPR classes, 31 clicks, 1 conversion, $50. So that is not what we want. So let's go into that ad group and see what's going on here. Alright, so we see the phrase match got 16 clicks, 1 lead. Near me, 5 clicks, nothing. So I'm just going to pause that. That's 0 for 5. And we're going to go in and see what's going on in the search terms report for this ad group. But 0 for 5 is no bueno, and I'd just rather not waste time. So if we go into search terms for this ad group, we're going to see the actual keywords typed into Google. And it's not even showing the conversion that came through, which is probably because Google just changed how they do that, or it could be was a call. So here, right off the bat here, YMCA CPR classes, St. Mary's CPR classes, Pulse CPR training. So these are all ad groups, or I'm sorry, these are all keywords we're going to have to add to a negative list. So let me open this up, and we're just going to create something really quick, just so we have it. So YMCA was one. Let's go back in there. St. Mary. That's one. Red Cross, no, because he works for the Red Cross technically. Pulse. Not really sure what that is, but just get rid of it. Alright, these are good, baby. You should probably actually break these off into its own ad group. Pet CPR, so no, we don't want pet stuff. So what we're doing here is just taking terms that wasted money and making sure we don't do that again. Alright, so CPR classes near me. No, these are good. Alright, so let's go back out of that. We're going to keep the one keyword that drove a lead going. I'm going to let it go for another week and just see, because $27 is still not bad for a conversion for this. So I'm going to keep that going. So if we go now just to the overall campaign view, we'll go to search terms and we'll just see what is going on here. Alright, so CPR certification near me. That is a good one. We want more of that. Classes near me. Looks good. Alright, so not really much data to go off of, but we did find some good negatives, so that's a positive thing here. let's go into the settings, and I want to see what the conversion rates are based on devices. Alright, so computers is actually a little bit higher. So I'm going to remove that negative 7%, because I honestly did not believe that that would convert higher. Usually it doesn't, but we'll get rid of that. And $12 leads for mobile I'm happy with. Let's take tablet off too, just to see what that does. So that looks good. Now let's go up to recommendations and just see what kind of shit Google's trying to sling at us. Sometimes it's not bad. Alright, so I'm not going to do this. I am going to try this. I'm going to get rid of this. Don't want dynamic ads. So I'm actually going to try maximize conversions, which is funny that they're suggesting this because I just talked. Yesterday was Mother's Day, so obviously I saw my brother. And I actually just told him that this is the next move when Google's ready for it to be done. And Google's basically telling us by recommending this, hey, looks like you got enough data to run maximize conversions, and you should do that. So we're going to give it a go. And we'll see how that does over the next week. Should be good though. And we're going to take the negative keywords that we added, or that we curated from the search terms report. We're going to drop those into the negative keyword list. We're going to let Google take the reins for bidding, so we're not going to optimize any bids or anything like that. I do just want to take one more look at the keywords. It's funny that CPR certification near me and CPR classes near me didn't work, but certification did. Strange. Alright, well, we're going to let Google do its thing now, so we'll see how that goes. And that's probably Ed messaging me right now. Beat it, Ed. Get out of here. Alright, so yeah, that's all I got for today. But you can see here, I think I said this was 2 counties. And if we go in here, it's Montgomery, Bucks, yeah, Chester. And if you want to see the landing page, I actually have that pulled up too. So I don't know if I can adjust this to get it all in view. But it's really simple. Logo, call to action, contact form, all the sites he does trainings at. More call to actions, bullet points, some COVID info, talks about what they do, introduces everybody, their instructors, stuff like that. Call to action, more class pictures of all the stuff they do, final call to action. So really simple landing page, effective. I mean, you saw it converting at 18% on desktop, and I think it was 13% on mobile. So we can definitely bump that up, and I'm sure Maximize Conversions is going to have a huge part in that. But so far, so good. Mike's booking deals. There is an ROI in the campaign, so we'll just let the train keep going. And again, if you're looking to run local ads in your area for your business, or you have a client who wants to run Google ads, stuff like that, obviously drop a comment below this video, or you can visit one of the links in the description. We have a ton of stuff in there for you guys, as I said before. And again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hopefully this was informative. I'm actually going to send this to Mike right now. So thanks, guys, and I'll catch you later.